Imagine you're at a party, and across the room, a younger woman catches your eye. She's interested, but how do you encourage her to make the first move? Today, we'll delve into effective strategies that subtly prompt a younger woman to chase you. Learn to master the art of subtle persuasion, as we reveal tactics that go beyond mere attraction to spark genuine interest. These are the secrets that many fail to grasp, hidden in plain sight within everyday interactions. Stay with us until the end to discover these compelling techniques. Whether you're looking for a meaningful connection or just curious about the dynamics of attraction, we guarantee insights that will give you an edge in understanding the subtle art of being pursued. Don't miss out on these transformative secrets. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. 1. Maintain a sense of mystery. Imagine if you had the power to keep her thinking about you all the time. One of the best ways to do that is by maintaining a sense of mystery. Don't spill everything about yourself right away. Keep some details to yourself. This creates intrigue and makes her curious. When she doesn't know everything about you, she's naturally more interested in finding out more. Think about it. If she knows your whole story from the get-go, where's the excitement? Share bits and pieces, just enough to pique her interest. Talk about your weekend, but leave out the mundane stuff. Mention your hobbies, but don't go into every detail. Keep her guessing and wanting more. When you're mysterious, you make her work to uncover more about you. It's not about playing games, it's about making things more engaging. When she starts asking questions and shows interest, you know she's hooked. Keep some secrets and let her unravel them. This will keep her intrigued and wanting to spend more time with you. 2. Use subtle flirting. Subtle flirting is your secret weapon. It's about connecting without being too forward. Prolonged eye contact shows you're interested and confident. Holding her gaze tells her you're engaged and assertive, which are really attractive qualities. Light touches can also work wonders. A gentle touch on her arm or a playful nudge can create a spark without being overbearing. These small gestures show you're paying attention and interested. They're powerful because they create a sense of intimacy without saying a word. Body language is key too. Lean in when she talks, mirror her movements, and stay open and relaxed. These actions show you're interested and engaged. Subtle flirting makes her feel special, without making it too obvious. It's these small, seemingly insignificant actions that can make a big impact. Humor is another great way to flirt subtly. A witty comment or playful tease can lighten the mood and make her feel comfortable. It shows you're fun and don't take yourself too seriously. When she laughs, she feels good around you. 3. Dress well. First impressions matter, and how you dress is a big part of that. Dressing well isn't about expensive clothes, but about looking stylish and put together. Choose outfits that fit well and make you feel confident. A well-dressed man stands out and shows confidence and self-respect. Think about this. You meet a woman who's put effort into her appearance, but you show up in a sloppy outfit. It's a turnoff. Invest in a few key pieces that highlight your best features. You don't need a whole new wardrobe, just some quality items that fit well. Grooming matters too. Neat hair, a trimmed beard, and good hygiene are just as important as your clothes. These small details show you care about your appearance. It's a sign of respect for yourself and the person you're with. Your style should reflect your personality. Don't just follow trends. Find what works for you and makes you feel confident. Whether it's a sharp suit or a casual but stylish outfit, wear it with confidence. Your clothes should enhance your personality, not overshadow it. 4. Showcase your independence. Being independent is one of the most attractive traits you can have. It shows you're self-sufficient and enjoy life on your own terms. Highlight your hobbies, interests, and passions. Let her see that you have a fulfilling life outside of any relationship. For instance, if you love hiking, talk about your latest adventure. If you're into cooking, share stories about new recipes you've tried. This shows you're engaged in life and have a lot to offer. You don't need someone to complete you, which is very appealing. Independence also means you're not always at her beck and call. It's not about playing hard to get, but having a full life she can be part of, not the center of. When you're busy with your own activities, it naturally creates intrigue and desire. She'll want to be part of your exciting world. Being independent reflects confidence and self-assurance. When you're comfortable doing things on your own, it shows you're not desperate for validation. This self-reliance is attractive. It signals you're in control of your life and can handle challenges. If you're enjoying today's tips on dating, don't forget to like and comment. For a deeper transformation, consider our free 60-minute strategy call. You'll learn how to meet more women and date with newfound confidence. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Show genuine confidence. Confidence is incredibly attractive. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and showing self-assurance. When you're confident, you don't need to chase her because you know your worth. This confidence comes from self-acceptance and a positive self-image. Make decisions with conviction, speak clearly, and hold your head high. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits. When she sees you're sure of yourself, she'll be drawn to you. It shows strength and reliability. Confidence also means being authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine. Authenticity is compelling, and when you're genuine, it creates a deeper connection. Handling rejection gracefully is a sign of confidence. Not every interaction will lead to success, and that's okay. When you're confident, you don't let setbacks affect your self-worth. You learn from them and move forward, which is attractive. Show your confidence through your actions and decisions. When you believe in yourself, others will too. This self-assuredness will naturally attract younger women to you. 6. Be humorous. Humor is a powerful way to connect and make her feel comfortable. A good sense of humor makes you more approachable and endearing. Use humor to lighten the mood and create an enjoyable atmosphere. Laughter creates a bond and makes your interactions memorable. Share funny stories, playful teasing, or witty observations. These moments of laughter create a positive association with you. Just keep it light and positive. The goal is to make her smile and feel good around you. Avoid negative or sarcastic humor that can be off-putting. Humor showcases your personality. It shows you don't take life too seriously and can find joy in the little things. This positive outlook is very appealing. A well-timed joke or playful comment can diffuse tension and make your time together more enjoyable. Humor can break the ice and build rapport. It shows you're easygoing and fun to be around. When she laughs, she feels good around you, making her more likely to want to spend time with you. Humor indicates intelligence and creativity. Being able to see the funny side of life and share it with others shows a quick mind and lively spirit. These are attractive qualities. 7. Engage in intellectual conversations. Intellectual conversations can be incredibly stimulating and attractive. Discuss topics that interest both of you, whether it's current events, books, movies, or personal passions. Engaging her intellect shows you value her thoughts and opinions. Ask open-ended questions that encourage deeper discussion. Share your insights and listen actively to hers. This builds a deeper connection and shows you're not just about physical attraction, but also a meeting of the minds. When you engage in intellectual conversations, you show respect for her intelligence and opinions. It's a way of saying you see her as more than just a pretty face. This respect can build a meaningful connection. Discussing a variety of topics helps you find common interests and shared passions. This shared ground can form the basis of a deeper relationship, whether it's debating a current event, discussing a favorite book, or sharing insights on a hobby. These conversations create a bond beyond the surface level. Intellectual stimulation keeps the relationship dynamic and interesting. When you can challenge each other's thoughts and ideas, it keeps the spark alive. It shows you're not just physically attractive, but also mentally engaging. So now that you know what will make her chase you, what's next? Discover the signs she thinks you're an attractive older guy, or learn the best compliments to give her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.